Let's continue. So this is our vertex form of the quadratic function of the parabola. Now let's go to the other one. Okay, it's called the standard form. And it will look like this, standard form. Okay, so it will look like y equals plus and minus a x squared plus and minus bx plus and minus c. Okay, so that is the standard form of a parabola. If you see something like this written in this format, then that is a parabola. Let's have an example here. Okay, so this is the standard form. This is the vertex form. So I'm going to, so example of that, let's just have any random example. Let's say y equals, let's say 4x squared minus 3x plus 5. That is a standard form of a parabola. Okay, so this way it looks like this is the standard form. This one is the vertex form. Okay, vertex form, standard form. Now I will teach you how to convert one to the other. Okay, so let's convert a vertex form to standard form. Okay, so conversion. Let's convert from vertex to standard form. Standard form. Okay, listen. So this is a series of steps. So I'm just going to teach this by an example. So I'll give you a vertex form. Okay, let's say your vertex form is this. Y equals negative 3 x plus 4 squared minus 5. Let's just say that. Okay, so this is the vertex form. Vertex of this, we all know, is at what we learned before, negative 4, negative 5, because this will translate 4 to the left and 5 down. Okay, so it will end at the point negative 4, negative 5. Change the sign, keep the sign. Okay, so we know that just by looking. Okay, so let's convert this. Okay, so let's write it here. Easily seen is the vertex. Vertex right away is, you know, is negative 4, negative 5. We know that just by looking. Okay, but what we will do here is we will convert this to look like this. Okay, this vertex form to standard form. Okay, so what are the steps to do this, to make it look like this? There's no parenthesis here. Okay, so we have to remove that. So what you do is you just follow PEMDAS. Okay, so follow PEMDAS, or the rule of operation of order of operation. Okay, so the first one is parenthesis, right? So we have to square this. P stands for parenthesis and exponent. So we will take these two together. So we're going to, okay, so let's write it here. Y equals negative 3 x plus 4 squared minus 5. So the first one is square x plus 4. Okay, so how do you square? What is x plus 4 times x plus 4? So let's do it on the side. X plus 4 times x plus 4. I hope you know how to do that. Okay, you add, then you multiply. So that would be x squared plus 4 plus 4, 8x. 4 times 4, 16. Okay, so this will become negative 3 x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus 5. Okay, so then what is the next? multiply. You have to distribute. Okay, distribute -3. Okay, to the parentheses. So that would be -3x squared, no more parentheses. -3 times 8, -24x, -3 times 16, -48, and -5. Okay, and the last step is you add common terms, combine terms. Okay, what can you combine here? The 48 and the -5. So this would be -3x squared minus 24x minus 53. Okay? So again, this is the vertex form. This is the standard form. But they are the same thing. They are the same thing. They are just written in different ways. Okay? So this is now the standard form of the vertex form. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to find the vertex when it is written like this. Find the vertex when it is in standard form.